As a business owner making more than $1 million a year, you have a couple of issues. One is taxes, and one is if you have kids. And what do I mean by that? Well, kids are a massive expense. I don't need to tell you that. How can you turn your kids into a positive when it comes to tax planning? You can hire your kids. You can pay them up to the standard deduction, which is currently $14,600. And if you're in the 40% state plus federal tax bracket, that puts $5,840 per kid in your pocket. You have to do this legally. You have to document this correctly. So what can you hire your kids to do? Well, it's got to be age appropriate. But you could hire your kid, depending on your state laws, as young as even an infant. So what could you hire your baby for in some states? Modeling. So you could find out what it costs to hire a baby for modeling, take pictures of your kid, use it on social media, use it on your website. You have to use it, but document that. That can be a reason to pay your baby if it's legal in your state. Now, there's only one way that doesn't work. That's if you have an ugly baby. I mean, you got to decide that for yourself if your baby's ugly. Now, once you're paying your child, now your child has earned income. And with that earned income, they can do a Roth IRA. So in the current year, they could put $7,000 in a Roth IRA. Let's say you hire your kid, and you hire your kid from age 8 to 18, over 10 years. Pay that child enough to put $7,000 in a Roth every year for those 10 years. Let's assume you get a 10% rate of return on that money. In 10 years, at age 18, that kid has $111,000 in a Roth IRA, never to be taxed again. Let's say you never put another penny in the Roth, and your kid never puts a penny in the Roth. At a 10% rate of return at age 58, that kid's going to have over $5 million in a Roth IRA, never to be taxed again. So think about hiring your kids and other family members and follow the rules, check with your tax professional, and make sure you don't ignore this big opportunity to turn an expense into an asset.